Hey, it's 4 a.m. and still no heavy rain, just misting and light drizzles throughout the night. Just hanging out, waiting for tropical storm Flossie to arrive. All right. Alright guys, it's Monday morning, about 11:45, and we've been getting hammered by some pretty heavy winds. Gusts coming in at about 40 to 50 miles an hour. Sustained wind closer to 30. But here she is, tropical storm Flossie. Plenty wind, but no rain yet. Bring on the rain, baby. Oh yeah. Alright guys, it's just about 4 minutes to 1 o'clock in the afternoon. The rain is just started. This is the first actual not bad kind of rain, decent rainfall of tropical storm Flossie, more like Floozy. Anywho, let's see how much rain we get. Some guys are saying 10, some 15. Anyway, stay dry everybody.